Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford Focus. Stock number is A7333A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. And then we're going to take a look inside at the cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full stereo, that includes your CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Focus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.